Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Nasser the Explainer. I hope you all will be fine. Hello guys, welcome back with another amazing video. This video is going to be very informative and useful for you, as this video is related to the today's hot issue, which is related to the security and safety of our daily use WhatsApp application. So stay tuned and keep watching this video up till end. So let's start the video. I have two devices in my hand. This is my primary device and this is my secondary device. I have linked this device WhatsApp application with the WhatsApp application of this primary device, so that I can explain how to reduce the risk of your safety of the application. So first of all, open your WhatsApp application and go to the three dots at the upper right corner, and there you can see there are some menu options. First of all, the third last option is linked device. Click, and you can see here you can link some of the devices as a secondary device. You can link a device, and here is the status of the devices which are linked with the main primary device. Two of four devices. Four devices can be connected with the primary WhatsApp application, and these two devices are linked with my WhatsApp application. If you see any of such linked devices in your status bar, you can remove, you can add some of the devices, and you can also remove the linked devices. For example, this is my school PC. You can click the upper right corner three dots, and the option is that remove device. If you think that this device is not the device which you have linked, it is an unknown device, you can click to remove this device. The application is asking for the confirmation. You can confirm to remove, and you can see there were two devices and one is removed, and the second device which is linked is Vivo, and this is the device which I have linked with this device. So back again, click the upper right corner three dots, go to the settings. So click to the account menu. So first of all, the second option is passkeys. You can create some passkeys. These passkeys can be used to log in securely and protect your account. The second option is two-step verification. You can click to turn on two-step verification. This will create an extra security feature so that no one can log into your uh, WhatsApp account. You can turn it on by clicking. So these three measures can protect your WhatsApp account to be hacked. So be careful, be protective. Thanks for watching. Take care.